Hi guys, this is Avinash Mishra and you're watching me on Midday.
After a successful stint with Big Boss, Avinash is right here with us, set to enter Khatro Ke Khiladi. So, hi Avinash, welcome to Midday.
Thank you.
Firstly, how exciting do you think this journey is going to be for you?
I think a lot because this show excites me a lot as a contestant, as a human because I've been watching this show like from last like 10 years, I guess 10 years, and this was on my list before Big Boss because I'm more confident about this show compared to Big Boss because this is my genre. I love fitness. I love the stunts which I see on the shows. So definitely this is gonna be more interesting, and I'm very excited for the whole journey.
So, this show, इस बार का concept is challengers versus champions, and I think every season के एक champion को इस season में डाला है. So, how challenging do you think it's going to be? Because I think Karan is known for his stunts. So is Rubina. So is Jasmine. So tell me about it.
It's going to be a very exciting competition because this is the first time the old and new contestants are coming together for a show. So it's great for the audience and it's great for us too because sometimes the experience can give you a lot of knowledge or maybe the tactics if they are willing to share. But even if they're not willing to share, I'm sure I'll have that good vibe with them and we'll get to know a lot of things.
Any one of them that you think is going to be a tough competition for you?
I guess all of them. I am not underestimating anybody on the show because this show is not only about just like being fit or just being having a good physical body or being extremely good in body lifting because अगर ऐसा होता लड़के लड़कियां एक साथ नहीं होते तो it's about having good willpower, dedication, that focus. So I guess everybody I see on the list, they are very well prepared and it's going to be a great competition.
So, one thing that you are extremely prepared for.
To face all the fears because I have no idea how it's gonna be. When people ask me like, what are your phobias? कैसे डर लगेगा? I said I have no idea. Maybe I'll just explore the things like okay, I am scared of this, or maybe I'm not scared of it because I can't practice all those things here. I can't have a reptile on me right now. So obviously that all those things I'll experience at the moment.
So it's said, मतलब सबके लिए reptiles is one of the toughest tasks to do. What about you? I mean, any one of them that you're scared of?
Could be. I think the moment I had a conversation with the team, I told them I'm not scared of anything. But right now, when the dates are getting very closer, I feel I'm scared of a lot of things. But I really want to try all those things. Like uh, I'm a I'm a swimmer, but right now I'm more scared about the water stunts because I know I'll be super excited when it comes on water sports. I'll be like, I know it, I can do this, and maybe I'll just go and I'll be like, shit, I'm stuck. So I'm very scared about all the stunts right now.
Oh, that's great. So, one thing that you would like to tell your fans.
Like it's gonna be a great journey, and I'm gonna give my 100%. And thank you for all the love you have been giving me from last so many years. And let's hope for the best.